everybody, this is Nicholas with American Light Design. I wanted to show you guys another installation done by our awesome team. This is the Defender series with 2 fixed screens and a motorized shade with a single channel remote. Complete privacy, away from bugs, any type of insect. It's all sealed and gapped, no gaps. We have here 2 custom fixed screens, one on the left and one on the right, for 2 openings, 1 fixed screen. And we have the motorized shade in the center. The client chose 90% textiline black with a white finish. And we are completely sealed away from any bugs here. Great privacy for our client. And just keep in mind, you may encounter some wrinkles. That is completely normal. We suggest having the screens down and let them get some heat and sun. That should take care of the wrinkles. Okay, now let's go and show you on the outside. This is an outside mount. Hood is mounted on the outside. White finish. This is our trim work. Here we have another view of the fixed screen for the single opening. It's matching perfectly with the motorized screen, so our client gets complete privacy on all sides. And this is the other side. This is a fixed screen covering 2 openings. We'll save you some money if you choose to go that route. But yeah, here's a single channel remote. You can stop whenever you want. Say I want to stop there, just stop there. And so on. Now once again, this is the Defender series screens. It is a black screen with white finish. This particular screen is 90%, so textiline 90.